The notion of a trip to the sun is an intriguing concept that captures the imagination but is grounded in the realm of science fiction and the limitations of our current understanding of the universe. A trip to the sun, as we perceive it in everyday terms, presents numerous challenges and impossibilities due to the extreme conditions and distances involved. First and foremost, the sun, at the center of our solar system, is a gigantic searing ball of superheated plasma. Its surface temperature hovers around 5,500 degrees Celsius, 9,932 degrees Fahrenheit, while its core reaches temperatures exceeding 15 million degrees Celsius, 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. These conditions make any close approach to the sun utterly inhospitable to human life or any known form of life. The sun's immense gravitational pull further complicates the idea of a trip to the sun. The sun's gravity is about 27 times stronger than Earth's, which means that any spacecraft attempting to approach the sun must overcome this gravitational force. In practical terms, it would require a tremendous amount of energy and technology to achieve such a feat. Moreover, the sun's scorching heat and radiation pose insurmountable challenges. A trip to the sun would entail devising a spacecraft capable of withstanding temperatures that would melt conventional materials and endure the intense radiation that would quickly destroy most known electronic components. To add to the complexity, the sun is located at an average distance of about 93 million miles, 150 million kilometers from Earth. This vast distance presents logistical and engineering challenges beyond our current capabilities. Our farthest space missions, like the Voyager probes, have barely scratched the surface of our solar system in comparison. However, it's important to note that scientists and researchers are continually exploring innovative approaches to studying the sun and its outer atmosphere, known as the corona. Solar observatories like the Parker Solar Probe have been designed to come as close as possible to the sun, though they still remain millions of miles away. These missions provide valuable insights into the sun's behavior, solar winds, and magnetic fields. In the realm of science fiction, the idea of a trip to the sun has been explored as a thought experiment or imaginative storytelling device. Authors and filmmakers have envisioned advanced technologies and fictional scenarios to make such journeys conceivable. Nevertheless, these depictions remain firmly in the realm of fiction and are far removed from the realities of current space exploration. In summary, while the concept of a trip to the sun may evoke wonder and curiosity, it currently stands as a highly challenging and improbable endeavor due to the extreme conditions, immense distances, and technological limitations involved. Our current understanding of physics and engineering suggests that close approaches to the sun remain beyond our reach, making the sun a distant, untouchable celestial body in our quest for exploration and understanding of the cosmos.